I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking scope and the concrete capture plan so collection is consistent. Define target classes and exact counts, decide resolution and aspect ratio, then pick the single capture pipeline: device, lens, fixed white balance, and exposure. Once done, create a shot list with required viewpoints and lighting variants, plus the labeling schema and metadata fields you'll record. Make sure to standardize file names and directory structure now, because consistent inputs eliminate a lot of downstream cleaning work. You then execute the collection and augmentation loop methodically. Capture images per the shot list across environments and immediately tag metadata so provenance is preserved. Once raw images are in, apply a deterministic augmentation pipeline, rotation, controlled crop, color adjustments, to reach target counts while logging each transform. Periodically validate batches for blur, duplicates, mislabels, and class imbalance, and fix issues before moving on. This prevents wasted effort and ensures the dataset stays. Finally, you annotate and prepare the dataset for use and sharing. Use one annotation tool and template, then export in standard formats like COCO or Pascal VOC and include a README plus metadata CSV. Split the data into train, validation, and test sets using stratified sampling to preserve class distributions. If something goes wrong, run automated checks for label consistency, image file integrity, and distribution skew. Fix at the source, re-export, and rerun checks to confirm the dataset is clean and reproducible before training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.